this be one of the best moments of your life. You're listening to the Business Mirror podcast for a broader look on business with Senior Editor Dennis Estopace.
Good day. Welcome to Business Mondays with BM, a segment of the Business Mirror BM Broader Look podcast that focuses on the Philippine stock market. The Business Mondays with BM podcast is based on the stock market outlook story written by Business Mirror reporter VG Kabuag and comes out every Monday. Today we podcast week 21 of the stock market outlook story for May 17 to May 21, 2021. For the text version online, please visit the Business Mirror website. For the print edition, please read the Business Mirror newspaper every Monday. Let's get on with the story. Last week, share prices gained, but not without the volatility, with the main index remaining at the 6,200 point level. The benchmark Philippine Stock Exchange Index gained 10.65 points to close at 6,269.36 points. It was a 4-day trading week with the celebration of Eid al-Fitr on Thursday, with the market already down on Wednesday after the country's gross domestic product contracted 4.2% for the first quarter, which was within market expectations. Volatility ensued when trading resumed last Friday, with the Philippine Stock Exchange Index down all morning. It reversed its 178-point decline during the day to reach as low as 6,080.94 points after the government announced that Metro Manila and nearby provinces would be downgraded to the less strict general community quarantine lockdown classification for the rest of the month. All other sub-indices went down with the exception of the Financials Index that gained a mere 8.95 points to close at 1,399.30 points, and the Holding Firms Index, which rose 118.34 to 6,344.87. The broader All Shares Index fell 26.45 to 3,850.98. The Industrial Index declined 69.94 to close at 8,558.71. The Property Index lost 95.85 to close at 2,948.41. The Services Index went down 9.93 to close at 1,434.47. And the Mining and Oil Index plunged 517.34 to close at 9,071.02. For the week, losers edged gainers 171 to 57, and 21 shares were unchanged. The top gainers for the week were iPeople Incorporated, Metro Alliance Holdings and Equities Corporation B shares, LBC Express Holdings Incorporated, Shakey's Pizza Asia Ventures Incorporated, Concrete Aggregates Corporation B, and Arate Incorporated. The top losers, on the other hand, were Philippine Savings Bank, Philippine National Bank, Premier Horizon Alliance Corporation, Mabuhay Holdings Corporation, Lepanto Consolidated Mining Company B, and Manila Mining Corporation B. This week, trading is expected to still go sideways as the market is still grasping for some positive news on the current situation of the country. Online broker 2Trade Asia said as the first half of the year is nearing its close, it is also 1 year before the 2022 general elections. Online broker 2Trade Asia said that with COVID-19 casting a shadow over macro fundamentals, the election windfall may not be as pronounced. But monitoring this space over the next few quarters may be beneficial, especially for position holders and long-term players who are willing to bet on today's depressed valuations. Jafet Luis Tanchanco, Senior Research Analyst at PhilStocks Financials Incorporated, said investors may continue to worry about the country's second quarter economic and corporate results, which are seen to bear the brunt of the stringent quarantine measures previously imposed in the National Capital Region Plus. Japhet Luis Tanchanco said that chart-wise, support is still seen at the 6,100 level. This was seen to be confirmed by the market in its intraday drop last Friday. Resistance, on the other hand, remains at the market's 10-day exponential moving average, which ended last week at 6,312.72. Japhet Luis Tanchanco said, "For the stock picks, broker Regina Capital and Development Corporation recommended to position on the stock of Lucio Co's Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated, as it is a good candidate for a bounce play with support sitting at 32 pesos and 30 centavos and resistance at 34 pesos and 05 centavos per share." Broker Regina Capital and Development Corporation said its share price is further down the oversold region and extending its stay there. The shares of Pure Gold Price Club Incorporated closed last Friday at 31 pesos and 65 centavos apiece. Meanwhile, broker Regina Capital gave the same advice on the stock of Mega World Corporation after the stock also entered the oversold region after breaking down from the 2 pesos and 90 centavos support. Broker Regina Capital said it saw increased bearishness across indicators, but it is susceptible to a bounce play until early this week as bargain hunters might start taking positions. Regina Capital said the stock's new support now lays around 2 pesos and 70 centavos while resistance sits at 3 pesos. The shares of Mega World Corporation closed last week at 2 pesos and 60 centavos apiece. And now for the weather via the website of the Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical and Astronomical Services Administration or PAGASA. PAGASA issued its weekly weather outlook at 12 noon of May 14, 2021, valid until 12 noon of May 21, 2021. PAGASA said that the low pressure area, formerly Crizing, exits the Philippine area of responsibility, and the easterlies become the dominant wind system throughout the rest of the outlook period for May 17 to May 21. The whole country will experience generally hot and humid weather conditions, except for some isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, mostly in the afternoon or evening. Have a good day.
Thank you for listening to the Business Mirror podcast. For a broader look on business, follow us on Facebook and Twitter at Business Mirror. Until next time.